Austria, a country in the heart of Europe, is a captivating destination where alpine beauty and cultural heritage flourish. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, Austria is blessed with the majestic beauty of the Alps, charming villages, and crystal-clear lakes. The capital city, Vienna, enchants visitors with its grand architecture, imperial palaces, and a vibrant cultural scene. From the iconic Schönbrunn Palace to the historic street Stephen's Cathedral, Vienna offers a glimpse into its imperial past and the legacy of influential figures like Mozart and Freud. Salzburg, birthplace of Mozart and the setting of The Sound of Music, captivates with its baroque architecture, charming old town, and musical heritage. Austria's Alpine region, particularly Tyrol, beckons outdoor enthusiasts with its world-class ski resorts, hiking trails, and scenic mountain vistas. The Danube River, meandering through the picturesque Wachau Valley, provides opportunities for leisurely cruises and exploring charming riverside towns. Austria's rich cultural heritage is deeply rooted in classical music, with renowned concert halls and opera houses offering unforgettable performances. The country's culinary scene is equally enticing, with delectable delights such as Wiener Schnitzel and Sachertorte to savor. Austria's warm hospitality and attention to detail ensure that visitors feel welcome and cared for. Whether it's indulging in cultural treasures, exploring alpine landscapes, or immersing in the legacy of great composers, Austria invites travelers to experience the blend of natural beauty, rich history, and refined elegance that make this country truly exceptional. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.